is how I play the game! Oh my god! What the fuck?
Oh my god. Sound good?
You may have noticed. You may have noticed. Just a few things, folks. You may have noticed that, number one, we had some music on pre-stream today.
Punch, push, bitch, tuck and punch, push, tuck and punch, bitch, tuck and punch, push, tuck and punch, push, bitch, tuck and punch, push, tuck and punch. What the fuck? I went back in time. We're going back in time. Back in time. Back in time. Going back in time. Don't trust me. Don't trust who? Selson Blue. What I can do. Don't trust me. Don't trust who? Selson Blue. Don't trust who? Oh shit, here they come, fuck those motherfuckers. Chop them with the big gin sword. Chop them with the big gin. Chop them with the big gin sword. My sword has titties. I have the best sword ever to take biddies. To take biddies. I have the best sword ever to take biddies.
Huh? Why am I toxic? And, oh my god. Oh. Holy fucking shit, that was an insane belch I didn't even feel coming. Excuse me. Oh, man. So.
Yes, per the request of the stream regulars, those who are here every single day and or often, who are tired of hearing either silence on pre-stream or the background music of the PS4 dashboard, I've created a playlist of a lot of the very popular remixes that viewers and fans of mine made way back in the day. We're talking like 2010, okay? These used to be very popular on YouTube. They got tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views each.
That's insanity.
This is pretty cool because you get a blast from the past.
It makes me look like I have a giant penis when I really don't. I'm more about looking forward than looking back. A lot of people don't realize that next year will be my 10th year being a gamer on the internet.
Making videos for YouTube and live streams, right? Pretty crazy. So this is a cool throwback, and I enjoyed putting the playlist together. By the way, you've only heard about 4 songs today, as I played them on pre-stream. If you're watching this video on YouTube and you weren't here for the stream, you obviously didn't hear it. You're gonna have to come by pre-stream sometime to hear these, okay?
What?
But, that being said, yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, this playlist has about, I believe, over a dozen songs, and you've only heard about 4 of them. So there's going to be a lot of variety in this, you know, moving forward.
And tons of dumb people have fucking left. Why do you think they're my detractors now?
You may have noticed there's some new title cards here running on the pre-stream. First of all, one for my new Teespring merch. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, there is new
product on my Teespring shop for the first time since July, and it's really good stuff. You have to be brain dead fucking stupid to believe that. Anything that you buy from my Teespring shop, I make a significant commission from, and it helps me out tremendously. I need that money. I really do. I need that money.
Now, in addition to that, you might have also noticed there's a new title card here with a promo for this month's Patreon. I haven't done a title card for Patreon in months. I realize that.
That may be one of the major reasons why Patreon isn't getting enough attention.
So I made a title card for it this month. It is the holiday Christmas marathon. The gaming marathon is going to be great. If I do hit the funding goal for the month of November, I'll be doing a Christmas-themed gaming marathon, okay? This marathon is going to be awesome. I'm going to be dressing up as, in holiday attire, probably like one of these ugly Christmas sweaters, and holiday hat, and, you know, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be drinking during the stream. I'm going to be playing crappy holiday-themed video games that you guys will nominate if you pledge $5 or more to my Patreon this month. Already overnight, we had a few people who pledged. They were like, wow, this is a good idea, and they pledged. So, hopefully now that I've got this pre-stream title card, more people will notice it, and we will get,
get some money, pledges. And by the way, I should say this. If anyone ever wants to do remixes and stuff of playthroughs I'm doing or whatever, it's go ahead and do it. It's possible. I'll promote it. What?
It was weird. 2010 was the year when everyone was so hype into my stuff, and like everything I did on YouTube was white hot. Even though it's funny, that wasn't the year I got the most views. The year I got the most views was actually 2011 on YouTube. For whatever reason, I don't know why. But 2010, it's just like everything I did was like striking gold. And everyone loved every playthrough I did. And, this was before live streaming and direct capture. Which is kind of funny. But hey, people were making remixes and everything. It was a pretty cool experience. Keep in mind, this is back in the day when YouTube channels were more of a social network than anything else.
I'm more about looking forward than looking back.
And I hope you guys are at least enjoying everything. From what I've seen, you are.
People are watching on YouTube. People are here on the streams. People are contributing on the streams. It's really awesome. So it looks like everything's good and everyone's liking what's going on. So I'm just going to keep it going, okay? Wow. Wow, he did 1,000 bits of cheering overnight. Thank you, Golden Colts, for the overnight cheers again. Thanks for the money, stupid fuck. Shout out to Schofield Lord, who subbed to the channel for the 12th month in a row, earning himself his ruby crown. You suck my dick! You suck my dick! Please pledge, folks. I really want to do that marathon. I really, really do. I love Christmas. And give their money, give their money. Then that's all I care about. Anything for this, right? You know how rude it is to ask people about money? You should not ask about fucking money.
That would be just to give you guys some idea of all the stuff I've got planned for this Christmas. This is gonna be the biggest Christmas I've ever done on stream and on YouTube. I'm gonna be doing a holiday themed Ask the King, okay? Q&A, regarding hopefully, Christmas stuff, but I'm sure other stuff as well. I'm gonna hopefully be doing this holiday gaming marathon. In addition, I'm gonna be doing WWE 2K18 Holiday Sims. And another, it may be the Sims or maybe another event where I do kind of what I did last year, where I basically talk with all of you about the holidays, about Christmas, and we're going to have like a discussion about Christmas stuff live on stream, okay? So it's going to be basically 4 events for Christmas. I've never done that before. Never. I've never done this much for Christmas. So I'm super hyped for it, and I hope that you guys are excited too.
People are so gullible. People are such fucking sheep with this shit. Seriously. Unbelievable how people get fooled by this shit. Seriously. Shout out to Atlas Telemon, who did a 50-bit cheer. You're an idiot. You paid me money.
He's the most productive one-man army on YouTube. I honestly can't say I could do what you do, even if I try. For me, now at this point, honestly, it's just
habit. Like, I've done it for so long. Get up, get moving, get stuff set up, start gaming, take a break, get back to gaming, upload videos, babysit them, deal with YouTube bullshit and drama. You know what I mean? Like, I've done it for so long that for me, it's just like a normal thing. You think I'm the villain? Go fuck yourself. I know for a lot of people, sitting here for 7-8 hours talking all day would be weird. But for me, it's commonplace now, This is my life. This has been my life for the greater part of 10 years. And maybe even more. We'll see. I prefer a penne. Oh! Easy to eat. Oh! Phil's a faggot. Phil's fat. Phil's a loser. Phil's a beggar. I have a micro penis. Alright, I'm not dead, but I swear to God, I wish I fucking was.